Catalyst 8000V in Microsoft Azure. What are the deployment options? Cloud is a dynamic and flexible environment. Here's how Cisco Catalyst SD-WAN meets the needs of virtual deployment options in Azure. Cisco SD-WAN gives you multiple ways to build your cloud presence with Catalyst 8000V. NVA with Cloud OnRamp for Multicloud, NVA application deployment in Azure Portal, manual VNet deployment via Azure Portal, and custom automated VNet deployment with Terraform scripts. In this video, we will cover the first option. Stay tuned for the next parts showing other deployments. Let's go to the built-in automation. In SD-WAN Manager, navigate to Network Hierarchy and create a site for your cloud location. Go to Cloud OnRamp for Multicloud. Make sure you have associated your cloud account with SD-WAN Manager. Then, confirm in global settings that you enabled configuration groups. Open Gateway Management. Choose Cloud Provider and click Add Gateway to start the Cloud Gateway configuration. Azure Resource Group Virtual WAN and Virtual Hub can be created directly from SD-WAN Manager. You can also use already existing ones. Keep in mind that if you already have a vHub deployed in the cloud, you should use its name to Cloud Gateway in the same region. In solution type, choose vHub with NVA if you want to deploy virtual routers in NVA, or choose vHub with VPN if you want to deploy only a VPN gateway in vHub. Pick SKU scale depending on your performance needs. Make sure that your preferred instance size is available in the Azure region. For greenfield deployment, define IP subnet pool, which is a private address space for vHub. For brownfield deployment, automation pulls up address space from Azure Portal. Configuration group can be either a new one or chosen from previously created one by automation for other cloud gateways. Fill in device parameters. Mind that appliances in the same NVA should have the same site ID but different system IPs. And that's it. After some time, you can monitor your gateway in SD-WAN Manager. Continue your networking in the cloud education with free SD-WAN labs. And if you need Catalyst 8000V in VNet, check out the description box.